Okay pa po kayo? Maraming salamat po for staying with us. All right. So to our partners from the academic and research community, our collaborators from government and industry, and our colleagues across DOST, once again, thank you for being here and for everything that brought us to this room today. Special mention po, maraming salamat kay Secretary Solidum po. Sir, maraming salamat po for staying with us. All right. So yung message ko po ay para sa next year daw. So DOST-ASTI turns 40 next year. Okay. So I've been thinking about what that means. 40 years of people waking up and choosing to build things for this country. 40 years of researchers, engineers, and public servants betting that science and technology could change something real about Filipino life. Some of those bets paid off in ways that are now invisible, which is the best kind of success. Infrastructure so embedded in how things work that no one thinks to question it anymore. Others are still paying off, and few are still waiting for the right conditions, the right partners, the right moment to matter at scale. Asticon 2027 is about that last group. It is about asking honestly, what have we built that the country has not yet fully used? And who needs to be in the room for that to change? This year's Asticon has been about what we enable. NICRE and GATES are not just programs. They represent a shift in how DOST sees its role from building technology to building the conditions under which technology can actually change decisions, systems, and outcomes. The shift is real and it is significant. But I want to be candid about something. Enabling is not the same as transforming. We can build a platform and watch it go unused. We can design the system and find that the institution at the other end was never ready to receive it. That distance between what we build and what actually reaches people is a people problem. And closing it takes a different kind of work than writing code or publishing a policy. Transformation happens when the technology is good enough, the institution is ready enough, and someone cares enough to hold both sides together until it works. That last part is the hardest, and it is what Asticon 2027 will be built around. 40 years gives us standing to have a different kind of conversation. We are designing Asticon 2027 as an industry and innovation marketplace centered on our technologies that have proven their worth, technologies with a track record that are ready to scale, but have not yet found the partners or the platform to do so. We want agencies that are ready to integrate, industries that see a real fit, and local governments willing to pilot something that actually works in the room. Sitting across from the people who built the solutions and real problems and real intentions. 40 years is indeed worth celebrating, but what I most want to honor is not the age of the institution, but the people who kept choosing to build things for this country when it would have been easier not to. That work deserves partners who will take it seriously and carry it further. And that is what I'm hoping for when 2027 comes. So muli, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat, and I hope to see you again next year. Salamat po.